Hi, right, I've got this finished now. Just thought I'd send you this video so you can just see it in case anything you want changing last minute. PSU, input, output. This is the controls input. So that's I managed to get some 8-core wire, shielded wire, and an 8-pin connector. So I did it with one cable rather than two. Can't go wrong with this. It's got a locating lug. And it screws on. So here's your controls. I've just mounted them on this plastic for now, so it stopped putting strain on the wires. So that's your switch, bypass switch, standby LED, and on LED, volume, tone, gain. So that on, you've got both lights on. You know that it's on. I shall just it's on, bypassed, on, bypassed. These little LED housings, the LED is held in with a rubber bung, so when you come to fit it, pull that rubber bung out, then put the housing through from the front, and then push the bung back in with the nut there. It will hold it in place. It's because they've just held. I mean, you want to take as much strain off these wires as possible. So lock this one down, lock the main thing down, and then it's not pulling on it, and they should be fine. If this pull out or anything, just put a drop of glue and it'll hold them in place, but they should be fine. I've left you a bit of where are we? A bit of, I can't get it up, it's down there. There's a bit of heat shrink anyway, because I wasn't sure how far apart you'd need. So if you need to cut the main wire back a bit and split it to get a bit more width for your controls, you can do that, and then put the heat shrink up. Just get a lighter and just heat it very gently around the sides, and it'll shrink and hold that tight and keep it all nice and neat. Right, so that's it, I think. I'll send this video to you then, see what you think. Cheers.